Today, workers under the banner the Non-Gazette Employees Association GHADC Tura conducted a sit-in demonstration in Malki Ground to pressurize the government to give what they deserve, their salary of 31 months. Speaking to the media, Sinora J. Areng, president of the association, said they have been deprived of a salary for 31 months and the sit-in demonstration is one way to air their grievances to the government with the hope that they will be heard and their problems will be solved.
We are from Garhills Autonomous District Council and we are the employees under NGA, Non-Gazetted Employees Association, GHADC. We came here just to express our grievances that we have not got our salaries for 31 months, and within these 31 months our beloved friends and our uncle and aunts, they have to lose their life without a proper medical treatment and such things, and moreover this our children, some of them are school dropouts also. So we have done in a proper way, and we have filed a petition in the High Court regarding the Human Rights Commission. Okay, let's see. But we came here to Shillong just to express our grievances in a higher way, like we have done in Tura. Only Tura people came to know that we are suffering from such crisis in economic crisis in GHADC. So we came here to express, let others also know who are staying in Meghalaya. Actually, this is because of we don't have a finance rule and service rule. That's why whenever new MDCs used to come, they make new appointments and brought GHADC to the higher numbers of employees. As per Madam Rixi, that GHADC Secretary's statement in High Court, it came to 1,704. Demand is just to release our 31 month salary, so that we can have our rights, so that we can let our children to study properly in time. We have to pay their dues. We have to run our families, and we have to come and go to and fro from office to home. Such things, so that we can, day-to-day life survival. No, we need the money. We need ourselves to strengthen our family. We tried to boycott this election. Yes, obviously we'll do, because even if the new executive member also, they will also start saying that this backlog has been created by the old executive committees, and they will pay starting from where they were started their executive new body. They will start from there. So the thing is that first, before the executive committee has started, they have to pay their all salaries should be cleared before the new ECs come.